Hello, good day everyone. This is Tefs, welcome back to this channel. We have a Devant Smart LED TV, a model 48LT700. The TV has an indicator light, but the indicator only flashes when I try to turn it on. I'll show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you've came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. It's been a while since I uploaded a video because of the flooding that occurred. The flood waters reached 2 feet inside my shop. Many TVs were submerged underwater, with most of them are LCD panel defects, although some were still functional. The hard part is cleaning the shop and dismantling the TVs, taking the valuable components. Currently, the shop is functioning normally and everything is okay. This video was taken before the flooding occurred. The TV has an indicator light but does not continue to turn on. Not continuing to turn on is sometimes a voltage problem. So let's go to the main power supply and check the voltages. We can measure the voltages at the cathodes of these rectifier diodes. We have 12.08 onto this diode. No voltage in this diode. Let's try pressing the power button while measuring the voltage across this diode. The voltage drops when the TV tries to turn on. This diode is showing no voltage, so let's check the continuity. It seems like it's short circuit. Let's remove the main power supply and see if the diode is shorted or something else. The main capacitor is still charged. Let's discharge it to avoid self-electrification or the destruction of some components.
Kahit sino po, for my own safety na rin po. Wala kayong sinabi.
The main power board appears clean and has never undergone any repairs. The shorted diode is connected to the same chopper transformer with which the diode has 12.08 volts. Let's remove the diode and test it out of the circuit.
Handa na gasolina?
Aman?
Binumbandahan.
Onsa?
It's beeping. So this diode is really the shorted. The diode that is shorted is connected to a chopper transformer. The other winding coil of the chopper transformer is also connected to a diode that has 12.08 volts. How is it possible for the other winding coil of the chopper to have a voltage of 12.08 volts despite the shorted diode in the other winding coil? I think the PWM power supply is pushing its can to generate the right amount of voltage of 12.08 volts, even if it has a shorted diode at the other winding coil of the chopper transformer, unless the PWM driver doesn't reach the maximum overload threshold. If the power turns on, the PWM now reaches the maximum threshold and triggers the overload protection because of the shorted diode, and the 12.08 volts go down and the TV will not continue to turn on. SRF10150 diode max rating is 150 volts at 10 amperes. This is a Schottky Barrier Rectifier diode. I have a power supply with an ITO220AB package diode, with a part number SP20150R, having a maximum rating of 150 volts and 20 amperes higher than the current of SRF10150. The higher the value, the better performance. Make sure to test the diode before soldering it into place. The diode appears to be in good condition.
May pasok may.
Kapewang kwartam. Nilakop tilid mo.
Ano?
Ano DJ? 2020. Kwaklat ta DJ. Kwaklat ta na.
Now, let's measure the voltages to check if they are within normal range. We have 12.099 volts, and 21.029 on the newly replaced diode. The 21.029 volts is the audio amplifier supply. Let's try to turn on the TV. The TV seems working now.
A few moments later.
The TV is now working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. Please support this channel by liking the video and subscribing. Ring the notification bell to stay updated. This is Tebs. See you in the next video. Bye for now.